Assalamu alaikum all. I hope you all are doing well. This is your English recorded class and I'm your teacher Ms. Jaziba Khurram from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan Johar campus. This is your grade 3 English recorded lecture and in this we are going to start our new chapter, that is My Early Home. We have already done the 2 chapters before it and we really enjoyed reading and we really had fun in the Zoom live session, reading all the chapters, discussing about it, and the poems that we have discussed the last time. The playtime poem was also a really great imaginable poem about the fantasies, how they were imagining that they are playing game, and what they thought that these things are, but actually they were not. But let's just see what this chapter have with us in it. So let's just start reading an explanation of this chapter. But for you need to take out your English Oxford English Modern English book, that is your English textbook. So let's just take it out. I'm just waiting for you all so that I should start reading and you will be with me while I started reading. So let's just take out your books. Very well done, students. Now after taking out your book, you need to open page number 26. In this the chapter My Early Home, we are going to discuss it in chapters page number 26 and 27. But before starting off our lecture, you know that I started off with the words to know, means we will discuss that what are the words that we are going to discuss in this chapter further. So let's just start with the first one, that is box. Box means to hit someone. Box means to hit someone, किसी को मारना, hit करना. Brook, a small stream. Now what is a stream? A stream is a kind of a line of a water flowing on. Stream is it's a small stream. Brook means a small stream. Number 3 is colt. Colt means a young male horse. A colt is a young male horse. Gallop. It's the fastest pace of a horse, means the most fast pace means that the horse is running real fast. So that's what gallop means. The gallop means the fastest pace of a horse. Gig. Gig is a light two-wheel carriage. It is a light two-wheel carriage, means to carry something. It is very light and it has two wheels, and it's a carriage, means it is the thing. It's a thing that used to carry weights. Lodging. Living space. Lodging means living space. Meadow. Meadow is a grass covered field. So meadow is a living grass covered field, means it's a place where all of the place is covered just with grass. So that's what meadow means. Plow. Plow, it means to dig up an area to make it ready to plant. Means an area like a rough place. You can see that if there is some kind of rough place and we have to grow some trees or fruits or vegetables over there, so we need to just first we have to dig it, means we have to do the holes in the ground, and then it will be मतलब उसको अंदर से उसकी soil को mix करेंगे, then the whole planting process will be done. So plow means to dig up an area to make it ready for planting. Rushes means plants. Well-bred, having or showing good manners, being of good quality. Well-bred is used for the animals, especially even for the horses as well. All you need to know is that this chapter is all about a horse. We are going to discuss about the life of a horse in this. So well-bred means it is someone that have good manners and have a very good quality of work. So that what it is. Whinny means, whinny is the past tense of whinny, and it is a noise horses makes, like sound the horses makes from their mouth. So that's what whinny is. So these were the words on page number 26 that we were discussing. Now from the very next line I am going to start reading and we are going to discuss about this chapter. So let me start reading the first paragraph for you and explain it to you. The first place that I can well remember was a large pleasant meadow with a pond of clear water in it. Some shady trees leaned over it, and rushes and water lilies grew up at the end deep end over the hedge. On one side we looked into a plough field, and on the other we looked over a gate at our master's house, which stood by the roadside. At the top of the meadow was a grove of fir trees, and at the bottom a running brook overhung by a steep bank. So what does that mean is that when this horse is talking about the thing that at the first place that he remembered was some kind of a very pleasant, very good meadow with very green around it. It has a very clear pond water over there, and they have some, and over there were some kind of shady trees as well. Those who were leaned over it. Leaned over it means that all the pond was covered with all of the trees around it. They were getting the shade of it all over it, and rushes means little plants. Water lilies are the plants that grow on the ponds above. Plants के ऊपर pond के ऊपर होते हैं. They are kind of big leaves on which most of the frog used to sit. They are very pretty, and water lilies grew up at the deep and then over the hedge. One side we looked into a plough field, and on the other we looked over a gate at our master's house. Okay, now at the one side there, what you can see is there was a plough field, means there was a very large field that was being ploughed, means उसको खोदा गया हुआ था because so that new planting can be started. और दूसरी जगह पे था एक मास्टर का गेट, मास्टर के घर का गेट था which stood by the roadside, जो रोड साइड के साथ था. At the top of the meadow was a group of fir trees, और meadow के बिल्कुल ऊपर जो थे वो बहुत सारे long fir trees थे. Fir trees are kind of like this as well, इस तरह से होते, but they have so many kind of a thin leaves over here. So fir trees थे, and at the bottom a running brook overhung by a steep bank. And उसके नीचे जो था वो पूरी एक steep is a kind of a thing that is like जो टेढ़ी आ रही होती है, like उसमें से हम लोग स्लिप करके भी जा सकते हैं. इस तरह के स्टीप बैंक जो थी वहाँ से there was running over there, and उसके ऊपर जो थे वहाँ पे मीडोज पे जो थे वो fir trees थे. While I was young, I lived upon my mother's milk, as I could not eat grass in the daytime. I ran by her side, and at night I lay down close by her. When it was hot, we used to stand by the pond in the shade of the trees, and when it was cold, we had a nice warm shed near the grove. As soon as I was old enough to eat grass, my mother used to go out to work in the daytime and come back in the evening. So now what the horse is telling us about is that when he was young, he lived upon his mother's milk. As you all know that young babies do depend on their mother's milk. They feed on their mother's milk, and because they cannot eat anything, they do not have proper teeth set and all that, so that's why they depend on their mother's milk. And that horse was also depending on her mother's milk, on his mother's milk. And in the daytime he used to run by her side, means wherever she goes, he was all by her side all the time. And at night, and when she her mother used to his mother used to lay down, so he also it also likes to be just lay right next to its mother. And it was very hot, used to stand by the pond in the shade of a trees. And when the weather was quite hot, so they used to stand in the where the pond was, they used to drink the water from that pond. And the shade वहाँ पर जो था trees का वो आता था. जब सर्दी होती थी तो वहाँ पे ये लोग बहुत ज़्यादा nice warm shade near the grove, so they get a very nice warm shade near the grove. And as soon as जब वो old हो गया, then he was able to eat grass. उसकी mother जो थी वो फिर day time पे काम पे जाती थी, and she came back in the evening. There were 6 young colts in the meadows. Besides me, they were older than I was. Some were nearly as large as grown-up horses. So now what happened is उधर जो थे that there were 6 young colts. As I told you before at the starting of the video that what is colt? Colt is a young male horse. वो एक young male horse को colt बोला जाता है. And in the meadow besides me means उसके बराबर में जो meadows होते थे वहाँ पे वो जो थे बहुत older थे, उनसे बड़े थे, और some were of just nearly large as grown up horses means some को जो थे वो उसकी तरह ही कुछ grown up horses they means they were growing to be a very big horse. So now next to move to the next one is I used run with them and had great fun. We used to gallop all together round and round the field as hard as we could. Sometimes we had rather rough play for they could frequently bite and kick as well as gallop. Okay, now what they are talking about is that as you all grow old and you like to play as well, similarly the life of a horse is also similar with that. This horse is saying that when they used to play, they used to run, they used to have really great fun when they all were together, and they used to gallop. Gallop, I told you that they gallop is that they are running really fast. Means running very fast. It means a gallop. They all used to run real fast all together, round and round the field as hard as they could go. Means there was a very large field on which they used to run round and round, गोल गोल घूमते रहते थे. They were you must have seen in the videos as well, in the cartoons as well, that when you can see that horses जो हैं वो round round एक field बनी हुई होती है बराबर, उसमें जो है वो गोल 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 they used to run, and that's what they have fun about. This is what their fun habit is. They had fun doing that, and they used to get up means they run very fast, and sometimes they used to play rough games as well. Means rough games means that they usually and frequently bite each other and kick as well as gallop. Means यानी वो दूसरे को काटते भी थे, वो दूसरे को किक भी करते थे, and वो लोग जो है वो तेज भी भागते थे. So this is what the horses do for the fun, and by this I am ending this lecture over here. We will move to the next part of it in the very next video lesson. Inshallah, we will continue this chapter over there. Because from by this I am just ending this lecture over here. Till then, take care of yourself. You all. Allah Hafiz.